Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here's a new episode for you. Pete and I are out in the wilderness. We've passed this new van that I'm going to take you through. So to buy this van, it's pretty mega. So we've had to remortgage the house. We've sold the other van that we've done up, and if you want to look at videos you can scroll through our page and find it. And we're just about to show you the new van that we've come across. Okay? So do you want to spin round, Pete? I mean, look at this. Fantastic. It's just a masterpiece, isn't it? So we'll be honest, there's a little bit of touching up to do, shall we say, but with Pete's skills and my flair for doing things up, I think you'll find it'll come mega. So it comes with all the foliage, which is, you know, free, because you could pay lots of extra money for that. So I'll take you into the front. This, you know, a bit of filler, this will soon fix this. You've got to be careful not to hit your head on some of the things in the sharp edges, but we can grind them down.
Alright, this is the cab.
Yeah, the cab, this is where we'll be driving. Need to get some seats obviously, but
And an engine.
yeah, and windows and stuff like that, but
hey, it's a touchy-upper.
yeah. And then we'll go through to the main part. It's a little bit uneasy, so try not to fall through the floor.
And there's the wardrobe.
Plenty of room up there.
Yeah.
I think it's actually bigger than a wardrobe in our old van.
Yeah.
And then,
There's our screen one.
yeah, this is our screen. We'll have to put something so it can insulate. But I might struggle getting through this, because usually we climb through, don't we? To get through to the front of the van.
But this time we've got a door.
Yeah.
2 doors.
Ready-made door. Have to duck our head under a little bit.
It's a bit smaller than our other van, isn't it?
Yeah, just a little bit. And we've already got a skylight in there. Oh, careful, don't slip. So we've got a skylight up there.
A vent.
You know, most people have to cut these in.
Yeah,
Save us
already
loads
done,
of,
yeah.
Wheel arch here.
Hold on. Toilet.
Yeah, toilet. Just take a dump. Go.
Straight out the bottom.
We don't have to worry about our chemical toilet
Oh,
anymore.
it's got electrics already plumbed in.
So Pete doesn't have to do any more.
Vents.
Yeah. You don't have to do any more research on the internet.
Bit of artwork.
This could be a bit of an issue. It's letting a bit of cold air in.
Yeah.
You
Bit
can just,
of filler again.
yeah, hammer that in.
Oh, there's the hob.
There's what?
The hob.
Oh,
Stove.
yeah.
Watch the animal.
Got some windows.
Yeah.
Provide a good bit of ventilation.
We didn't have windows in the last one.
No. Oh, there's another plug over here.
Yeah.
For the lights.
Perfect. Still artwork all over the walls.
Yeah. Bit of mould as well.
We'll have to cap it over these wheel arches like we did in the last van.
Yeah.
And we've got a pretty good back door for the bikes.
Yeah. And there's actually a good bit of headroom for you in here.
Oh
isn't
yeah,
there?
yeah.
Unlike some of the other vans that we've been in.
Yeah.
And
Going out the
then
back.
At the back here, nice little door handle there.
Yeah. Make use of that.
And then we'll just
Hold on. Some free wheel arches. Little touch up. Right as rain.
I think this is going to be a good investment for us.
Yeah. I mean,
Chance to.
it has put us deep in the hole now though,
Yeah.
hasn't it?
I don't know if we can afford to eat for the next 3 months. It might have beans on toast for a while, but I think this is a fixer-upper.
It's a worker.
Yeah, and
That's the video.
hopefully we'll be able to take it on some amazing adventures like we've been with our other van.
So come along.
Yeah, stay tuned.